to Swing Kingdom's website. Today we're going to show you how to build your perfect dream set and submit that for a quote. So we're going to go to Dream Set Builder. This will usually take a minute or two or a second or two to download. While that's downloading here, let's say you're on our website and you already have a playset in mind that you're looking at. You just want to add maybe some other custom features to that playset. We're going to use the Basecamp 44 for example. So we'll go back to the Design Center. And once this is loaded, we can kind of take you through and show you some of the menu options here. So on the bottom left-hand corner, some of your menu options here, you have the gearbox. If you go over here to the protractor, this will give you the dimensions of the playset. Paintbrush, of course, will give you colors. So you have your colors of the playset here. You have colors of your border, colors of your mulch, and colors of your shingles if you have a cottage, playhouse, or cabin playset. The hamburger option here, if we click that, you have a go back button. So if you design something and you put something somewhere and you don't like it, you can always use that button to go back to what it was before. You have your print button. You have your file button here. You would choose from a standard pre-designed set that we have on our website or in our catalog, or you can put in a build code right here and you would get design. The other thing, if you're not finished building your design and you want to save it to build another day, you'd put that information here, your email, zip code, phone number, email, and any notes, and you would push save. You would get an email with the build code. So next time you have time, you would enter that build code here and push get design, and you can finish designing your playset. So as I said, we're going to go to the Basecamp 44 and we're going to go down to that pre-designed playset 44. We're going to go ahead and change the color to the red, white, and almond, or the red, almond, and yellow. Let's say we want to put some mulch and borders in, and we want to put the borders to maybe sandstone, mulch to red, and we're liking that. Maybe we don't want mulch and borders. You can click your mulch and borders, no mulch and borders. Okay, you have a 3-position swing beam here. Maybe you don't want that. So anytime you click any of these balloons anywhere around here, you have options. That'll give you other options for your playset design. So for this one here, click the green balloon, go down here to swings, and we're going to go up here to a 3-position single beam, and then maybe we're going to change some swings and put some options there. So your adaptive swing here, you can change the position of it by switching that round halo there. Same thing with your roof. If you want to change your roof design, just right above that, you could, right now we have a vinyl roof, so you can go to a gable roof and put that design in there. Again, change to whatever you need. And if you want something else in there, maybe not a rock wall, maybe you want a cargo net, put a cargo net. Once you have what you want and you're ready to submit your design for a quote, then you would simply, this is what's included in your playset design. You would simply push get quote, your name, zip code, your phone number, email, any design notes that you want, and you would get quote, and a local rep would reach out to you very soon. Thank you for joining, and we look forward to seeing your designs. Have a good day.